Greetings, my name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh-Carbon Community College, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about isolation and the feelings of isolation. Isolation is common in college, right? We feel like we're doing things solo. COVID-19 did not help this feeling for many of us, right? These feelings include things like sadness, loneliness, and depression. These are common things for students to feel and sometimes result in students disappearing and disconnecting to the college completely. And we certainly don't want that, right? So to counter this, be aware when you're having these feelings, but also make connections with your classmates. Make friends here, right? Connect with the college in many ways. Right? Connect with your supports. Reach out to your learning specialists, your faculty members, your tutors. Reach out to people who want you to be successful. Right? And build social time away from college with some old friends or some new friends that aren't connected to LCCC. The key is to have a healthy balance so you stay focused and connected. Have a good one.